Chapter 7 Introduction to PowerPoint 2019 Learning Targets Introduction to PowerPoint Starting Microsoft PowerPoint Components of MS PowerPoint 2019 window Creating a new presentation Adding text in a slide Saving or closing a presentation Opening a saved presentation. Slide layout. Adding a new slide. Adding a shape or an image to a slide. Deleting a placeholder. Deleting a slide. Slide show. Exiting PowerPoint application. Introduction to PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint is a popular presentation software. It is developed by Microsoft. It is an important part of Microsoft Office group of programs. PowerPoint enables you to create and display interesting digital presentations. You can use text, pictures, charts, and graphics. You can also add sound, video, and special effects to make your presentations more exciting. Presentation. A presentation is a set of slides organized in a specific order to share information about a topic. It shows information using text, pictures, sounds, and animations. Slide. A slide is like a digital page in a presentation. It shows information about the topic. Each slide appears on the screen one by one. Uses of a PowerPoint presentation. A PowerPoint presentation is used to share ideas and information. Companies and organizations use it to present details about their products and goals during workshops and meetings. Teachers use PowerPoint presentations as a tool for teaching. PowerPoint presentations include visual and audio effects to help catch the audience's attention. Starting PowerPoint 2019. To start Microsoft PowerPoint 2019, follow these steps. 1. Click on Start button. 2. Scroll down and select PowerPoint option, figure 7.1. The start screen of PowerPoint 2019 appears as shown in figure 7.2. In the right pane, select the blank presentation option. TechBite. You can easily create a shortcut for Microsoft PowerPoint. To do so, drag its icon from the Start menu to the desktop. Components of MS PowerPoint 2019 window. MS PowerPoint 2019 interface consists of the following components. Title bar. It is the long horizontal bar present at the top of the window. It displays the name of the current presentation, which is usually presentation 1 by default. Control buttons like minimize, maximize, and close are present at its right side. Quick access toolbar. It contains the frequently used command buttons like save, undo, redo, and start from beginning. It is located to the left of the title bar. You can customize it by adding or removing buttons. File tab. It is located to the left of the Home tab. It is used to create, save, close, and print a presentation and is also used to open a saved presentation. Ribbon. It is the broad bar containing tabs and groups for various commands. It is located right below the title bar. Tab. A group of related commands forms a tab. Each tab has its own ribbon. PowerPoint has different tabs. Group. A set of related commands on each tab is called a group. Rulers. There are two rulers, vertical left and horizontal top in the PowerPoint work area. These rulers help the users to align the text, images and other objects added on the slide. Slides pane. It is the main working area where you can add and edit the content such as text, images and other objects. Placeholder. A placeholder is a dotted rectangular box. A placeholder can hold text, image, table and other objects. Slides navigation pane. This pane is located on the left side of the slides pane. It shows a small preview thumbnail of all the slides in the presentation. You can select the desired slide to open it on the slides pane. You can also use this pane to add, delete or move slides among other functions. Status bar. The horizontal bar at the bottom of the PowerPoint window is called the status bar. It displays the serial number of the active slide out of the total number of slides in a presentation. On the right side of the status bar, you will find the following components. Notes. This option allows to add notes below the current slide on the slides pane. Comments. It is used to leave comments for the current slide. Normal view. It is the default view which displays a single slide on the slides pane. Slide sorter view. It displays the thumbnail view of all the slides in a presentation. This view neither has the slides pane nor the slide navigation pane. Reading view. This view displays a single slide on the entire PowerPoint window. In this view, only title bar and the status bar are visible. Slideshow view. A PowerPoint presentation runs in this view. It displays a single slide on the entire screen. Zoom slider. It is present on the extreme right of status bar. This slider adjusts the view size of the current slide. Creating a new presentation. To create a new presentation, follow these steps. 1. Click on File tab. New option. The new screen appears. Figure 7.4. 2. Double-click on the blank presentation option. 3. A new presentation opens with a blank title slide layout, which is the default layout, figure 7.3. Notice the slide has two placeholders. Entering text in a slide. To enter text in a slide, follow these steps. 1. Click on the Click to Add Title placeholder, figure 7.5a. 2. The cursor appears in the text box. Type robots, figure 7.5b. 3. Bring the cursor inside the Click to Add subtitle placeholder. Type Smart Helpers. You will notice that the entire text appears on the slide. 4. Click anywhere outside the placeholder. Tech Byte. In PowerPoint 2019, text formatting options are available in the font group on the Home tab. These options are similar to Word program. Saving a presentation. To save a presentation, 1. Click on the File tab, select the Save option. 2. The Save As screen appears on the right pane, figure 7.6a. 3. Double-click on this PC option or click on the Browse button. The Save As dialog box appears, figure 7.6b. 4. On the left pane, choose the desired location, drive or folder to save the presentation. 5. In the File Name box, enter a suitable name for your presentation. 6. Click on Save button. A PowerPoint presentation is saved with the extension .pptx. For example, a presentation might be named robots.pptx. Keyboard hacks. Press Ctrl+S, key combination to save a presentation. Tech tips. You can also save a presentation using the Save button present on the Quick Access toolbar. Note: when you save the presentation again later, the Save As screen does not appear. It just saves the changes automatically. Closing a PowerPoint presentation. To close a presentation, 1. Click on the File tab. 2. Select the Close option, figure 7.7a. If there are unsaved changes, MS PowerPoint will show a message box, figure 7.7b. You can choose one of the following options. Save option saves the changes before closing the presentation. Don't Save option closes the presentation without saving the latest changes. Cancel option stops the closing process and takes you back to the presentation. Tech info. Closing a PowerPoint presentation closes only the current presentation, whereas the MS PowerPoint application remains open. Opening a saved presentation. To open a saved presentation, follow these steps. 1. Click on the File tab, Open option. 2. The open screen appears on the right pane, figure 7.8a. Double-click on this PC or click on the Browse option. 3. The open dialog box appears on the screen, figure 7.8b. Locate and select the desired file. 4. Click on the Open button. Slide layout. A slide layout refers to how different elements are arranged on a slide. It helps you choose where to place text, images, and other graphics. Microsoft PowerPoint 2019 offers 9 different slide layouts. Let us learn about some of the commonly used slide layouts. Title slide. The title slide is the default slide layout in a PowerPoint presentation. This layout is used to add a title and a subtitle to your presentation. It includes 2 placeholders, one for the title and one for the subtitle. Title and content. This slide layout has 2 types of placeholders. The top placeholder is for adding a title. The bottom placeholder can be used to add objects such as text, images, graphics, audio, videos, charts, and more. Title only. This slide layout is used when you want to add only a title and no subtitle. Comparison. In this layout, there is a placeholder for the title and 2 vertical content placeholders for adding either text, graphics, or both. This slide layout is useful for comparing text or graphics. Blank. This slide layout does not have any placeholders. You can customize it as per your needs. Adding a new slide. MS PowerPoint lets you add unlimited number of slides to a presentation. By default, a new presentation starts with a single slide. To insert a new slide, follow these steps. 1. Click on the Home tab. 2. In the Slides group, click on the New Slide button drop-down arrow, figure 7.9. A drop-down menu appears displaying the 9 different slide layouts. 3. Select the layout you want and click on it. A new slide with the selected layout appears on the Slides pane as well as on the Slides navigation pane. Keyboard hacks. Press Ctrl plus M key combination to add a new slide in a presentation. Press Ctrl plus N key combination to create a new presentation. Deleting a placeholder. To delete a placeholder, follow these steps. 1. Select the placeholder by clicking on its border. 2. Press Delete key. To delete multiple placeholders at a time, hold down Ctrl key and click on the border of each placeholder and then press Delete key. Note, if there is text inside the placeholder, then text will be deleted, not the placeholder. Deleting a slide. To delete a slide in normal view, follow any of the given methods. Method 1. 1. In the slides navigation pane, select the slide to be deleted from the presentation. 2. Press Delete or Backspace key. Method 2. 1. In the slides navigation pane, right-click on the slide thumbnail that you wish to delete. 2. In the shortcut menu, select the Delete Slide option as shown in figure 7.10. Tech tips. You can add a new slide, duplicate a slide, delete a slide, and change the layout of a slide using the shortcut menu. Right-click on the desired slide and select the required option in the context menu. Inserting a shape in a slide. To insert a shape, follow these steps. 1. On the Insert tab, click on the Shapes button in the Illustrations group, figure 7.11a. 2. Choose the desired shape in the drop-down menu. 3. Bring the pointer onto the slide area. 4. Press and hold the left mouse button, then drag the pointer to draw the selected shape on the slide. Figure 7.11b. Inserting pictures in a slide. Microsoft PowerPoint 2019 offers two options for adding pictures to a slide. This device, it lets you insert a picture from a file saved on your computer. Online pictures, it allows you to insert a picture from the internet. To add a picture from a file saved in the computer, 1. Insert a slide with title and content layout. 2. On the Insert tab, click on the Pictures button in the Images group. 3. Select this device option in the drop-down list, figure 7.12a. The Insert Picture dialog box appears, figure 7.12b. 4. Locate and select the picture you want. Click Insert. The selected picture appears on the slide, figure 7.12c. To insert a picture from the internet onto a slide, 1. On the Insert tab, click on the Pictures button in the Images group. 2. Select the Online Pictures option in the drop-down list, figure 7.12a. The Online Pictures pane appears on the screen. 3. Type in the keyword in the Search Bing box. 4. Press the Enter key. Relevant images will appear. 5. Select the picture you want and click the Insert button. The selected image appears on the slide. Tech Info. You can also insert pictures by clicking on the Pictures or Online Pictures button present on the title and content layout slide. Slide Show. A slideshow means showing slides one by one in a full screen view in a sequential order. Slideshow displays all the slides of a presentation either from the first slide or from the current slide. To run a presentation, you can use any of the following options. 1. Click on the slideshow icon on the status bar. 2. Click on the Start from Beginning button on the Quick Access toolbar. 3. On the Slideshow tab, choose a required option in the Start Slideshow group, figure 7.13. The various slideshow options are: A. From beginning. It starts the slideshow from the very first slide. B. From current slide. It begins the slideshow from the current slide. C. Custom slideshow. This option displays only the selected slides in slideshow. Keyboard hacks. F5 is the shortcut key to run a presentation from the beginning. To start the slideshow from a particular slide, open that slide and press Shift plus F5 key combination. Exiting PowerPoint application. Exiting an application means closing it. To exit PowerPoint application, choose any of the two methods. Method 1. Click on the Close button present on the extreme right side of the title bar. Method 2. Press Alt plus F4 key combination. Wrap up. Microsoft PowerPoint is a popular presentation graphics software developed by Microsoft. A PowerPoint presentation is a set of slides arranged in a specific order and format. A slide is like a digital page in a presentation. The slides pane is the main area where you can work with and manage your slides. Placeholders are the text boxes in a slide that can hold text, graphics, tables, pictures, and more. The slides navigation pane shows a small preview of all the slides in a presentation. A slide layout refers to the arrangement of different elements on a slide. The title slide is the default layout in PowerPoint. A slideshow means showing slides one by one in a full screen view in a sequential order. A PowerPoint file is saved with the .pptx extension.